Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you guys that have a BMW guys X3, and that should cover guys both generation E83 and F25 guys. If you're trying to find where your exhaust camshaft position sensor is located, stay with us. We'll cover that today. We will explain what needs to be done to remove and replace it guys. Now with the front end of this car removed, we can actually show you where that exhaust camshaft position sensor is located. Otherwise it's impossible, but you do not need to take your car apart. That same engine guys we'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine. It can be found in X3, it can be found in 3 Series, 5 Series, even X5 BMW guys, one of the most popular engines. So if you have a 6-cylinder engine, video will be very helpful. Now if you have guys 4-cylinder engine, it may be helpful as well guys to help you identify where your sensor is located. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically on BMWs even more. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we will have all that listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please check it out guys, we share it for your convenience. Let us show you what we have now. With the front end removed, this is the front side of your engine. Now you can see you will have two camshaft position sensors because you have two camshafts, one on the intake side, one intake, one exhaust. So you have one camshaft position sensor on the intake side, one on the exhaust side. So it can measure the angle of the camshaft, and because you have the variable timing, you have the Vanos solenoids that do the variable timing and all that stuff. So now right here you can see this is the intake camshaft position sensor. Right here, this one is guys the exhaust one. It's a little bit harder to see and we have enormous amount of oil leak, but we'll have a video on the channel how to fix multiple oil leaks guys and replace valve cover gaskets as well. So that will be super helpful. Now let us show you what we need to do. So we're going to come with the camera from about right here now, and let me get the tool that we need. This is reverse torques number 8. I'll put the link in the description of the video below to the tools. And now we need to remove that bolt right there. We just need to go ahead and take that bolt off, and it will be dirty here, I guarantee you guys. So if you're working on your car this way, I recommend to disconnect your car battery because it will be really close to the radiator fan and you don't want your hands to be caught in the fan. So always work on cold engine. Perfect. Bolt is out. Now we're going to actually grab that sensor and pull it out. Do not twist, just pull it straight down. Perfect. This is the sensor. Now there is one tooth right here that we need to release with the screwdriver. And pull the wiring harness, and I just dropped the sensor. But this is the sensor. Now you can see guys how dirty that thing is on the inside. It's terrible because we need to do a cleaning treatment on that engine, and we'll have the video coming on the channel. So please subscribe how to clean the inside of your engine, because BMW recommends those long oil change intervals, and that's the result of it guys, I think, in my opinion. So I always started going a little bit shorter intervals on the BMWs that we own, but definitely we need to clean the inside of that engine. So putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. If you want to see how to test it, we'll have a video on the channel, and if you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.